Okay, and I have this new smoke detector. It's a Lifesaver, or it says Lifesaver, but it's like Kitty or something. Model 1275, and these wires can be interconnected. Can get 120 volts AC, and that's for, and it can be battery powered too. And it's in code 3. I don't know if this button, I would think that would be a button since it's the second thing there, and I thought it'd be like a hush button or something, but I can't get it to go down, so I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be or not, but here's the test. And there you go.